In today's video, I will show you how to get up to a 63% discount on Pacdora AI. To get started, you can use the first link in the description and create your free account if you do not already have one. This is the interface you will see after successfully logging in. Click on Pricing to open the pricing section. Here, you will see the different plans offered by Pacdora. Pacdora also offers a free plan, so you can test the platform before committing to any of these paid plans. You can see the 3 paid plans: Lite, Pro, and Business. You can compare the features included in each plan and decide which one best fits your needs. The first way to get a discount is by switching to annual billing, as it offers up to a 43% discount on all the plans. And you can save even more by applying a coupon code. Now select the plan you want to purchase, and you will be taken to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will find the option to add a promotion code. Enter the code TECH and then hit Enter. You can see that we have received a 20% discount and the overall price has been reduced. If you combine this coupon code with the 43% discount available through annual billing, your total savings can reach almost 63%. You can now enter the remaining details on the right-hand side and complete your payment. If you want a detailed breakdown of each Pacdora pricing plan and the features included in them, then you can check out this video right here.